Hi.
So today we have Mr. Rishikesh with us. So hello Rishikesh ji.
Hi.
We are from Team Drone Expo.
Okay.
So I would like to ask you a few questions related to your company and about Drone Expo.
Sure.
Okay. So can you introduce yourself to our audience and tell us a bit about your company also?
Okay, sure. So, myself Rishikesh Arunwadkar. So, I'm head of the training for Pavman Aviation.
Okay.
So, I am an instructor for small and medium class, and among the first 2 master trainers in India for medium classification. So, and about the Pavman Aviation, I would like to talk as basically Pavman Aviation was established in 2022, and it was authorized in DGCA authorized in 2023 February. So from that onwards, we are into the remote pilot training organization, DGCA-Approved remote pilot training organization. Also, we have the manufacturing of the part of the drones as well. So we do manufacturing of the agriculture specific drones. So it is a type certified small drone we have here. So it is a type certified small class drone. And also we have the training center, which is a DGCA approved, where we basically, as you can see here, we can say that we will get you trained, DGCA certified and placed as well. So it's India's
number. You are into manufacturing and training both.
Both.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm really glad to hear that.
Yes.
Well, I have seen that agriculture drones are in a bigger size also compared to the normal drone.
Okay. So it basically the bigger the size, it's better. It's not in the case of this. So it's all about the economics in that. So how it is these drones are for the agriculture spraying. The per person acreage in AP and Telangana is approximately 5 to 8 acres. So what a drone does is comparative to traditional 1 acre 8 liter and 8 minutes it sprays basically. So the person with the same capacity can do 2 acres in one battery set and can cover 25 to 30 acres easily. So and charging 500 rupees per acre. So just a small math to it, adding a small math to it is 10 acres only if he's spraying on a daily basis. So let's say 500 rupees he is charging, 500 into 10, 5,000 per day. And in a month he is only doing 20 days, it is 5,000 into 20 is 1 lakh per month.
There is definitely a lot of potential when you are like getting the drone and doing it for other people. But so you have specifically said that it can carry 8 kg of payload.
It can carry 12 liters, but the recommended dosage as per the SOP is 8 to 10 liters or equivalent to kg basically.
And what will be the flying time?
Flying time will be 14 to 16 minutes with full payload, which can cover 2 acres basically.
14 to 16 minutes.
Yes. So it can cover 2 acres with ease basically.
Good. Well, I'm really glad to hear about all the product.
Sure.
So now coming on to the exhibition.
Okay.
So this is our 3rd day today.
Okay.
So how long have this been, these 3 days? What was our visitor profile and what was the experience overall?
So for at the start basically it's a great crowd basically. Why I attended the curtain raiser event basically for the before this event. So now I'm here for 3 days. Every day I have attended here. I've been here. I've been standing here, and there is huge lot of crowd basically. And as we are providing the drone, the DGCA type certified drone at 4.5 lakhs with 4 battery sets, it's a huge thing for the people basically. That's why many people will be gathering at our stall almost whole day. So we are actually having food at 6 o'clock. That means the crowd, how much it is.
Yeah, that is also a thing, because agriculture is a very basic thing in India, and a lot of people does not know about the drone.
Exactly.
And they doesn't even know that we can use drone in agriculture and farming sector.
Yes.
So it's really a great initiative, and we are very glad to have you as well in the exhibition.
Sure. Thanks.
So my last question is that the next year we are having the exhibition in Mumbai, which will be in a much bigger venue than this one.
Yes.
So what's your call on that? Are you planning to participate?
I'm from Maharashtra. I would love to.
Okay, you're from Maharashtra.
Yes, I'd love to participate, and actually we are thinking of expanding in the Maharashtra region as well. We already have expanded in the Tamil Nadu and Karnataka region.
Southern part of India.
Southern part of India. We are slowly moving towards Maharashtra and all. So that's why we would like to be there as well.
No, definitely. I'll be most welcoming you in Mumbai as well, and we'll see you next time.
Okay, definitely.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.